The best exercises for diastasis recti reconnect and realign your whole core muscle system. Here's our top 5 exercises for diastasis recti that do exactly that. The MUTU Breath. This is the foundation for diastasis healing. Get comfortable sitting or on your back. Drop your ribs and your shoulders. Exhale and focus on lifting your pelvic floor. As you inhale, focus on relaxing and releasing your body. Repeat for 5 cycles of breath. These connection breaths are the perfect warm-up for every diastasis recti workout. The heel drop, one of the most effective abdominal reconnection exercises. Lie on your back on the mat. Your knees should be bent up and your feet flat on the floor. One first, then the other. Bring your knees in toward your chest. Now exhale as you draw your abs inward and slowly drop one heel to touch the floor. Rest your heel on the floor as you inhale, then exhale and bring it back. Exhale and engage as you drop each heel slowly. Rest, let go, and breathe in. Remember, always inhale and relax as you rest. Exhale and engage as you move. Do 5 to 8 drops on each leg, nice and slow. Kneel and squeeze. This is great for engaging the deeper core muscles and improving pelvic floor control from a more upright position. Kneel on your mat with a pillow between your legs. You're going to do 5 MUTU breaths, but with some extra work on your core. Hold the ball at your chest between your palms. Relax your shoulders and drop your ribs. Exhale and engage the deep core muscles and pelvic floor as you squeeze the ball between your palms. Each time you inhale, release the pressure on the ball. Squeeze, lift your pelvic floor, exhale, engage. Relax, inhale, and release. Lift your hips. You need strong glutes for a functional core. It's all connected. Lie on your back on the mat. Place your arms by your side, palms facing up. Inhale to prepare, and then on an exhale, push through your heels and drive your hips upward. Stay in the raised position as you inhale, then exhale, engage, and roll back down. Try not to arch your back. You're aiming for a straight line from knee to hip to shoulder. Remember, every time you move, you exhale and engage your core. As you're staying in one position, you're inhaling and relaxing. The lamppost P. Great for engaging the core, improving your posture, and enhancing balance. Position yourself on all fours, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, spine neutral. Now you're going to exhale and engage your core muscles as you lift one knee just off the floor. Then inhale and relax. Exhale, engage, lift the other knee. Your knee has to only just leave the floor for this exercise to work. Each time, bring it back down to rest as you inhale, then repeat on the other side as you exhale and engage. Exhale, engage and lift. Relax, inhale and lower.